Looking for a restaurant in Parramatta where the food, culture, and atmosphere all come together? One more item check off our bucket list. Holy Basil Restaurant in Parramatta, a restaurant that showcases the rich and authentic flavors of Thai and Laos cuisine. As soon as you enter, you'll notice the beautiful ambience inspired by Southeast Asian culture. The warm lighting, elegant decorations, and eye-catching gold human-sized figurines create a unique and memorable atmosphere that makes the dining experience even more special. Holy Basil celebrates a distinctive cuisine featuring fresh herbs, aromatic spices, and a delicate balance of sweet, sour, and spicy flavors. Every dish reflects their cultural heritage and passion for sharing the authentic taste of Thailand and Laos with their guests. We came here to celebrate our friend's birthday, and what made our visit even more memorable was the incredible hospitality from the entire Holy Basil team. We truly appreciate their energetic and heartfelt performance when the whole team came out to sing happy birthday. Their enthusiasm brought us much joy and made the celebration even more special. With its delicious food, beautiful ambience, and warm service, Holy Basil is definitely a place worth visiting if you're looking for an authentic Thai and Laos dining experience in Parramatta. Don't forget to follow for more food discoveries and hidden gems around Sydney.